In each episode of my podcast, I write and read someone's story aloud. That part is always my voice. But after the story, I sit with the person who requested it. We talk about what it meant to them. Sometimes they want to share, but they don't want to be recognized. And that's when I use an AI voice mask. It takes their exact words, their real emotion, and wraps them up in a different voice. The truth is untouched, only the sound changes. So if you ever notice an interviewee who sounds a little different, it's still them, just speaking through a safer door. And for some people, that's the only way they can tell their story.